if my product doesn't work, I'll fucking come over there and jerk you off. So how confident are you in your product?
Yeah, your product sucks.
And I'm a marketing guy, right? That's what I do. I'm a marketing guy. But through this and through some other things we've done, I've learned that the best marketing is a good product. There's no copy. There's no funnel. There's no fucking tricks you can play on the mind that can get around having a bad product, right? Everyone wants to talk about marketing budgets. It's a buzzword. Oh, we need more marketing, more exposure. No, you don't. You need a product that doesn't fucking suck. Like, that's all you need. A good product sells itself. And that's why we were able to have an amazing launch with Sabre from just writing fucking memes on Twitter.
100%. It's that easy. And it's crazy because people love to think that it's not that easy because then it gives them an excuse. But here's the thing, bro.
You're lucky, bro. You're lucky, bro. The algo liked you. You're lucky.
Yeah, lucky. As if Reecethebrah didn't get banned and then do it again and then get banned and then do it again and then get banned and then do it again.
Actually,